In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a company contact in Clio Manage. Let's get started right inside Clio Manage. From the left navigation menu, open Contacts. This is your central hub for all people and organizations you work with, and it's where you'll add and manage companies. If you already have a lot of entries, don't worry. You can always search and filter later. Next, look to the top right corner and click New Company. This option is specifically designed for organizations, so you won't have to fit company details into a person-style form. You'll see a prompt that asks, is this contact a person or a company? Choose Company. This ensures the contact is created with the correct structure and will appear under the Companies tab for easy sorting and reporting. Now, enter the company's name in the name field. Use the official name you want to appear on invoices and correspondence. Consistent naming, like including Inc. or LLC where appropriate, makes searching and billing smoother later. Add the company's core contact information. Enter the email address the company prefers for communications, the main phone number, and the website if you have it. If you're not sure about the website, you can leave it blank and add it later. For the email, consider using a general inbox rather than a personal one if that's how the company wants to be contacted. Next, complete the address fields: street, city, state or province, zip or postal code, and country. If the company has multiple locations, enter the one that should appear on bills or formal letters, often the headquarters or billing address. Accurate address details help with document templates and ensure mailed invoices reach the right place. You can add tags to organize your contact. Tags are flexible labels that make filtering and reporting much easier. Think about adding tags that reflect industry, client type, or region. You can always adjust these as your database grows. If you want to associate people with this company, expand the employees section. Add individuals who work there so you can quickly connect matters and communications. If the person already exists in your contacts, link them. Otherwise, add them here and connect them to the company. For firms with specific billing needs, expand billing preferences. Here, you can customize how this company is billed, such as default rates or delivery options. If you're unsure, leave these fields blank and your firm's default settings will apply. When everything looks right, click Save. The company contact is now created and will appear in your contacts list under the Companies tab. You can revisit and edit details anytime as information changes. That's it for adding a company in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.